Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Keychron Q6 Max, a full-size mechanical keyboard that's making waves. This isn't just another keyboard. It's a fully customizable experience designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Q6 Max boasts a robust build, featuring a full metal frame that immediately gives it a premium feel. It's weighty, solid, and feels like it can withstand some serious use. The white finish is clean and modern, fitting seamlessly into any workspace. One of the standout features is its versatility in connectivity. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and a USB-C wired connection. The 2.4 GHz wireless mode offers a rapid 1000 Hz polling rate, ensuring a lag-free experience for gaming or fast-paced typing. Bluetooth 5.1 allows you to connect to up to 3 devices, making it easy to switch between your computer, tablet, and phone. The USB-C wired option provides a reliable and stable connection when needed. Typing on the Q6 Max is a dream. It incorporates a double gasket design and multiple layers of acoustic foam. This combination creates a dampened sound profile and a comfortable, cushioned typing feel. The pre-installed Keychron banana switches offer a tactile bump without being overly loud, making them suitable for office environments. Of course, the Q6 Max is hot swappable, so you can easily change the switches to your preferred type without any soldering. The Q6 Max is fully programmable with QMK VIA, giving you complete control over every key. You can remap keys, create macros, and customize the RGB backlighting to your heart's content. The software is intuitive and easy to use, even for those new to custom keyboards. The addition of a programmable knob is a nice touch, allowing you to control volume, zoom, or any other function you assign to it. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and even, with a wide range of colors and effects to choose from. You can customize the lighting to match your setup or create unique profiles for different applications. The Keychron Q6 Max is compatible with macOS, Windows, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for any user. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or writer, this keyboard offers a premium typing experience with a high degree of customization. It's an investment, but one that's well worth it for those who value quality and performance in their peripherals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.